everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will uncover the beautiful place Hawaii and enjoy lovely hula dance scenery painting. So be with us till the end and do not miss your chance to enjoy Hawaii. Aloha! So today's painting we are doing with watercolor using main colors and shades of green, yellow, blue, red, brown like this. So much green and sea and coconut trees and enthusiastic hula dance inspired me to do this painting today. I hope you will enjoy. Now let's talk about Hawaiian art. Traditional Hawaiian art includes wood carvings, feather work, petroglyphics, bark cloth called kapa in Hawaiian, and tattoos, etc. And of course hula. This is a form of chant and dance which was developed in the Hawaiian Islands by the Polynesians who originally settled there. And of course we can never forget Captain James Cook if we talk about Hawaiian Island. A British explorer, navigator, captain in the Royal Navy who made a detailed map of Newfoundland prior to making 3 voyages to the Pacific Ocean. In 1778, Captain James Cook and his crew became the first Europeans to visit Hawaii, which they called Sandwich Island. The art created in these islands may be divided into art existing prior to Cook's arrival, art produced by recently arrived Westerners, and art produced by Hawaiians incorporating Western materials and ideas. Public collections of Hawaiian art may be found at the Honolulu Museum of Arts, the Bishop Museum, Honolulu, the Hawaii State Art Museum, and the University of Göttingen in Germany. In 1967, Hawaii became the first state in the nation to implement a % for art law. The art in state buildings law became established the art in public places program and designed 1% of the construction costs of new public schools and state buildings for the acquisition of works of art either by commission or by purchase. Now let's have a look at the three departments of this art. As we discussed, art prior to James Cook's arrival. How was the art previous visiting Cook's arrival? Ki Hulu Manu Hawaiian feathered image. That's the Hawaiian feathered image which is called Ki Hulu Manu. 18th century believed to represent wicker, feathers, mother of pearl, dog teeth, Cook Foster's collection of the University of Göttingen, Germany. Art existing prior to Cook's arrival is very similar to the art of other Pacific Islanders. This art includes, as we said, wood carvings, feather work, petroglyphics, bark clothes called kapa, and things like this, and tattoos. Now, art produced by the visitors who visit Hawaii. Some of the first Westerners to visit Hawaii were artists. both professional and amateur. These artists sketched and painted Hawaii's people, landscapes using imported materials and concepts. Artists in this category include Alfred Thomas Agate, Mabel Alvarez, Auguste Bourget, George Henry Burgess, and many others. And especially night scenes of erupting volcanoes. Hawaii's have a lot of volcanoes. So night scenes of erupting volcanoes were especially popular, giving rise to the volcano school. Now, art produced by the Hawaiians and long-term residents. So that was the visitors. And now what about the art produced by the Hawaiians, the people who live there? Artworks produced by Hawaii's native-born and long-term residents, incorporating Western materials and ideas, include paintings on canvas and quills. They may be distinctly Hawaiian in subject matter or as diverse as their place of origin. Most of the art currently produced in Hawaii falls into this third category. Notable artists in this category include sculptor Satoru Abe, woodcarver Fritz, and many others. Today, my art falls into second category. That means visitors who paint landscapes of Hawaii, volcano pictures of Hawaii, things like that. So my painting is only falls into the second category, where I am painting a hula dance scenery beside seaside. Now let's have a look at the lovely island Hawaii. So after we discussed art of Hawaiian art and art of this island, let's know something about this beautiful and lovely island Hawaii. So Hawaii is a US state located in the Pacific Ocean. It is the only state outside North America, the only island state, and the only state in the tropics. Hawaii is also one of a few US states to have once been an independent nation. Hawaii is known for its beautiful beaches, some of them with unusual colors. Many beaches are filled with white sand, but other Hawaiian shores are covered with green, red, pink, and even black sand. Whether you are hiking, biking, sailing, swimming, or just sitting on the beach, Hawaii is the state for you. From pristine white sand beaches with turquoise water to black, green, and red sand beaches and protected bays perfect for snorkeling to massive waves for surfing. Hawaii has the perfect beach for every occasion and person. Hawaii's rich soil is considered one of its most important natural resources. Sugarcane, pineapples, coffee, macadamia nuts, and flowers are all important resources of income for this state's economy. Tourism is the state's leading source of income, however. And Hawaii is the only US state with two official languages. Did you know? English and Hawaiian. In 2008, Barack Obama, who was born in Honolulu, was elected. So he was born in this island only. Entertainer Bette Midler was also born in Honolulu. An Hawaiian safari cannot be completed without discussing hula dance. Hula, sensuous, mimetic Hawaiian dance performed sitting or standing with gestures to instruments and chant. Originally, the hula was a religious dance performed by the trained dancers before the king or ordinary people to promote fesudinity, to honor the gods, or to praise the chiefs. And there are two types of hulas. Hula kahiko, that means ancient hula dance, and hula awuna, that means modern hula dance. And this is very important for the Hawaiian culture because it's preservance of the stories which were passed down orally and visually for generations. So, did you like today's journey to this lovely island, Hawaii, and hula dance painting? We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So, if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about the different art forms from different places and unknown facts about them, subscribe our channel. We wish you an awesome week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.